Hey everyone, and welcome back to Veggie Life. Today I'm going to show you how to make Andhra Avakaya pickle. Here I have taken 6 raw mangoes, which I have pre-soaked and washed and dried them properly. Now, with the help of a sharp knife, we are going to cut through the mango along with its stone. When the stone comes apart along with the mango pieces, you will notice there is an inner layer resembling a paper. That needs to be removed for all of the mango pieces. Now that all your mango pieces are ready, let's go ahead and marinate them. Here I have taken 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and added them to the mango pieces first. To this, we will go ahead and add about 80 grams of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. You can also dry roast the methi seeds before adding, which is entirely an optional step. Next step, I have taken gingerly oil of AS brand company. Now I'm adding only about 250 ml of the oil to the mango pieces first, and with the help of a wooden spoon or a spatula, stir through the mango pieces so that all of them get coated evenly with the oil and turmeric. While the mango is marinating, we're going to be taking masala, which is red chili powder, mustard powder, and gingerly oil, along with non-iodized salt, which is specifically used for making pickles in South India. So I have shown you the ingredients along with the measurements. Take all of them and put them into a wide vessel like this, and with the help of a wooden spatula, you can go ahead and start mixing them. Make sure when you are mixing the masala, keeping the fan above you switched off. The masala can fly in the air and then get into your eyes or maybe even nose. Stay safe, do not rush this process. Also, make sure that all your utensils are absolutely dry and completely moisture free. So now that my masala is ready, I'm going to be adding it to the mango pieces little by little. With the help of the wooden spatula, keep stirring so that the mango pieces get coated evenly. Once all of the masala has been added to the mango pickle, you can go ahead and start adding the gingerly oil from the 1 liter packet that we took earlier. Again, just like the masala, we are going to be adding the oil little by little again. Keep stirring with the help of a spatula in between so that all of the pieces of the mango get coated evenly. And once you see that the mango pieces start to absorb the oil, you will notice that the remaining oil comes down to the bottom like this. So this step is entirely optional. I have added 250 grams of pre-peeled garlic pods to the avakaya pickle. I happen to enjoy garlic in my pickles, so I'm going to add it. If you are averse to this, you can entirely skip this step and enjoy your avakaya as it is without any garlic in them. Here, with the help of a wooden spatula, again I mix all of the pickle, and final step I'm going to be adding a little gingerly oil again to make sure all of the pickle comes together. Now your pickle will take at least 3 days for it to mature and to develop its taste. After 3 days, your pickle is ready for you to bottle it up into a glass jar. So with the given list of ingredients and 6 mangoes, I have been able to bottle up about 2 kgs of avakaya pickle. Now that you have seen the recipe of how to make avakaya at home, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and make it before the summer season is over and all the mangoes are out of market. So I'm going to be eating the season's first avakaya. Here I've taken some hot steamed rice and added some ghee to it. Now in the traditional way, we are going to be making a fistful of rice mudde, and this is just a sticky ball which you squish it between your palms along with your fingers and then make a ball like this, and then you enjoy it by popping it in your mouth and getting the burst of flavors from the avakaya. So what else are you waiting for? Go try making this avakaya in your home kitchen and let me know how you like it. Until then, like, share and subscribe at Veggie Life for more such videos. Bye!